Welcome to the Kindergarten Math Challenge. Ready to test your subtraction skills? What is 4 minus 3? The answer is 1. What is 8 minus 2? The answer is 6. What is 6 minus 4? The answer is 2. What is 10 minus 7? The answer is 3. What is 5 minus 1? The answer is 4. What is 9 minus 2? The answer is 7. What is 7 minus 5? The answer is 2. What is 3 minus 1? The answer is 2. What is 10 minus 4? The answer is 6. What is 8 minus 6? The answer is 2. What is 6 minus 1? The answer is 5. What is 9 minus 5? The answer is 4. What is 7 minus 2? The answer is 5. What is 5 minus 0? The answer is 5. What is 8 minus 3? The answer is 5. What is 10 minus 9? The answer is 1. What is 6 minus 3? The answer is 3. What is 7 minus 6? The answer is 1. What is 9 minus 8? The answer is 1. What is 10 minus 3? The answer is 7. What is 5 minus 4? The answer is 1. What is 8 minus 5? The answer is 3. What is 6 minus 0? The answer is 6. What is 7 minus 4? The answer is 3. What is 9 minus 7? The answer is 2. What is 4 minus 2? The answer is 2. What is 10 minus 8? The answer is 2. What is 3 minus 2? The answer is 1. What is 2 minus 1? The answer is 1. What is 9 minus 3? The answer is 6. What is 7 minus 3? The answer is 4. What is 6 minus 2? The answer is 4. What is 8 minus 4? The answer is 4. What is 10 minus 6? The answer is 4. What is 5 minus 2? The answer is 3. What is 9 minus 6? The answer is 3. What is 6 minus 5? The answer is 1. What is 7 minus 1? The answer is 6. What is 10 minus 5? The answer is 5. What is 8 minus 7? The answer is 1. What is 4 minus 1? The answer is 3. If you want to get even better at math, keep practicing. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.